Welcome back, you guys. I'm Tassie, and today I actually have a ramen that I realized I've never eaten on my show. So this is the Tassie Yang JjaJang. This is their spicy chicken version of it. So it's just like the fire noodles, not the nuclear, but the fire. But this is their JjaJang version, and you know, I've eaten that type of black bean Korean noodle before, but then this is just the Tassie Yang one, and I've never done it. So here it is, you guys. And what I actually have is going to be some pickled daikons here too, or pickled radish. And I have sriracha because typically I always put sriracha in my Korean black bean noodles. And then in case it's not spicy enough, because this is not the nuclear version, it is just the regular chicken fire. So then I actually have my capsaicin as well on the side. All right. And I'm prepared this time because normally whenever I eat ramen, I realize towards the end I need a spoon and I never have one, so I actually have a spoon. And this ramen here, it has been out for a while. Maybe I just forgot to eat it on my channel. Like a lot of things was happening. I probably was going to Arizona. I don't know. I probably just forgot that this ramen came out. So this is just a really, really late review. This one is really good. It has great flavor. It does taste like the fire noodle ramen, but it also tastes like black bean noodles. And it tastes the flavor right. So I wanted to talk about this a while back, maybe like a month ago. I actually did a review on Tassie Yang, which is the same brand, the same company that makes this ramen. They actually have a black bean noodle ramen. So this is the ramen I did. I'll link the description to the original video for this one that I did. And it's made by the same company. It's just different types, of course. This is more of the spicy. This is not spicy. So they both taste really good, you guys. And that's why I wanted to bring them up, because they both taste really good. And there's 2 packs of ramen in here. So the reason why I like to eat the radish here, especially with this type of ramen, it's very thick, this ramen here. So this really just cleanses your palate. It's kind of like how people eat ginger with sushi, but it's not spicy like ginger. It is sweeter. So there is some dehydrated vegetables that you boiled with it as well. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of sriracha for a little extra kick. And this isn't super spicy, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the capsaicin. And I know a few of you guys have gone out to buy this, and I know one of my viewers, I think her and her boyfriend, they're on like their 2nd or 3rd bottle of this. This stuff is insane. So don't put a lot, just put a little. Okay, so now that I've mixed everything, I don't really remember where something is. So it'll be a surprise as I eat it. Do a close-up of the noodles for you guys. I'm very suspicious that I'm going to take a bite out of one of these noodles and it's going to be all the capsaicin. Probably should have kept a better eye where I put the sauce. So lately, I've been working really hard on my website. And soon, I'm going to be posting up some ghostly update videos. I don't know if it's going to come out before this video or not. And then I'm also going to be posting blogs about like getting to know me. And you guys will actually see baby photos of me. I would definitely have to say that I have the same smile as when I was a baby. And I think a lot of it has to do with like my dimples. And I actually have straight teeth, like just naturally. I have never had braces and I don't whiten my teeth. You know, like when I used to work at McDonald's, a lot of people would drive through and ask me, where do I go to whiten my teeth? And I don't whiten my teeth. And my family, I think it's from my mom's side, we all have straight teeth. None of us have ever had braces. And, you know, there's 12 kids from my mom. So none of us ever had braces. And I don't know why my teeth just glow in the dark. Like, if it's like a dark photo, you'll see my teeth before you see me, okay? But I have this one photo of me when I was younger. And for me, I loved the swings. Like, growing up, the swings was like my jam. Like, everybody was always, you know, like on the little round wheel that you would run on. I don't know if they still have that in maybe like a 90s kid thing, but it's like made of metal and you could probably die from riding it, but everybody always rode it. I always went for the swings. And there's a photo of me with a huge smile on, and it's because I was on the swings. And growing up, especially because we're Asian, you know, we all had like the bowl haircut because our mom didn't want us to deal with like brushing our hair and taking care of it, so she just gave us bowl haircuts. So you'll see me with my bowl haircut. We hated it. And they don't take us to salons, okay? Like, Asian parents, they just cut your hair like right there in the living room. They don't do that anymore, but most likely if you were from like the 80s or 90s, you'll get a bowl haircut in the living room. But as a kid, I had a really tiny body, but I had a really big head. And I think that's why people liked me, because I look kind of funny because of my big head. And plus I have dimples when I smile, and I think that it's like easy to be you know, like considered as endearment. So a lot of people always really liked me because I had dimples, and they always commented on it growing up. And my teeth. I remember though, because I didn't need braces when I was like in the 7th grade. 7th grade is usually when a lot of kids, they had to get braces. Everybody had braces and they all had like the colors, and I wanted them, but I couldn't get them. But the one thing I did have was glasses. So I used to wear glasses. So in the 7th grade, I actually had glasses. It's starting to get spicy now. I think I'm eating the capsaicin now. Especially like on my lower lip, it's getting a bit spicy. This thing is really good. Now, about 2.5 years ago, I had LASIK done, for those of you who don't know. I've mentioned it before in another video, but that was like a long time ago. But I actually had LASIK done, so I don't wear glasses anymore. Oh my god, my lower lip is burning. LASIK was horrible for me. Before you go and get your LASIK done, they offer you either a Benadryl or a Vicodin. I took the Vicodin. But it hurt. And then I had dry eyes for about 2 years where I couldn't fully see. And everybody has like, some people won't have any dry eyes. And then the majority of people though will have some form of dry eyes. But 2.5 years later and my dry eyes have disappeared. Now I can see without a problem. I actually have 15/20 vision. I still get my eyes tested yearly though. Just in case the vision changes, then I have to go back and get another surgery. Which I pray to God never happens. I'll go back to wearing glasses. So, this was delicious. I highly recommend, you know, if you eat black bean noodles and you find that it's very, it's too rich, it's too thick, because it's a sauce, it's a black bean sauce, you know, so I find a lot of times it can be a very thick and cloyy, that flavor and that taste, and that's why I like to eat the pickled radish with it, just because it helps break it up, and it gives you that nice crunchy texture. Whew, definitely recommend this, especially if you want a spicy kick. It's not spicy enough for me, but with this, it really helped. But the stinging, because I kept wiping my lips, like it's kind of like raw on my lower lip there, but I highly recommend the Tassie Yang JjaJang hot chicken fire ramen. Really, really good. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.